Hey guys, today I'm working with Love Me Hair Company, and this is how the box looks when you open it. It comes with a hair brochure talking about refunds and how to properly care for your wig. It also comes with this cute little Love Me hair pouch that comes with a lace band that says Love Me Hair. It also comes with a adjustable band if you like to sew it on. Also comes with these cute bobby pins. Also comes with this cute rhinestone clip that says Love Me, which is really cute. And it also comes with this edge brush and half comb for styling your baby hairs. And it also comes with tweezers. And it also comes with a new wig cap. Now this is the wig. It comes in this cute bag. And today I will be installing a 4x4 14-inch short curly lace closure bob. And it is 100% virgin hair. So it is a 4x4. And it comes with those adjustable straps. And it also comes with straps on the wig as well. So now I'm just trying the wig on to see where I want to place it and to see if I need to tighten those straps in the back. And you can also see how good it blends already, and it's not even melted. Super cute. And this wig is 180 density in the color natural black. And the lace is Swiss medium brown. So right now I'm just going to pluck it a little more to my liking. It does come pre-plucked, but I like to pluck a little more for my lace wigs. So now I'm showing you how it looks after I plucked it a little more. So now I'm just using a concealer closest to my skin complexion, and I'm also going to put some on inside the wig. I did not bleach the knots on this wig. I'm just putting concealer for this time. So now I am trying the wig back on just to show you guys how it looks again after I put that concealer on. Now I'm showing you guys how to strap it. And you just hook it right in the inside. So it is combed out in the front because I was plucking it, So now I'm just pulling it down a little more. As you can see, it is very undetectable, super, super, super blendable. So right now I'm showing you guys how I cut the lace. And I'm just going to go right across, very close to that hairline. Very, very close. You don't want to leave any extra lace because you want it to blend really good. So I'm cutting as close to the hairline as possible. It's not even melted yet, and you can't even see where the lace is. So now I'm just cutting those extra corner pieces off so that it doesn't show when I do melt it. So now I'm just using this melting spray that I got from Wig Dealer, and I'm just going to spray that a few times. And watch how good this lace melts. So right now I'm just making sure the lace is flat and not folded underneath anywhere, so that when I do put the lace band on, it melts properly. So now I'm going in with my silk lace band that I got from Love Me Hair. And I'm going to tie that down really, really tight so that we can get that lace to melt, melt, melt. So I'm just ensuring that it's tightened really good before I start to wet the hair. So right now I'm just drying it a little bit on cool air, and I'm just going to let that dry. Now I'm taking it off, showing you guys look how perfect that lace looks. So right now I'm just going in with the wax stick just to get all those hairs back in place. And then I'm going to go in with my straightening comb, and I'm just going to flatten it just a little bit more just so I can get a sleeker look in the front before I put my lace band back on. And this gives it an even neater, look. So I just went over it a few times just to make sure it was super, super flat and sleek. So now I'm going in with some mousse, and I'm just going to put a little bit extra on the hairline area. We're not doing baby hairs for this look. We're going for a cleaner, no baby hair look. And I'm just putting just a little bit on the edges. No dramatic baby hairs for today. And I'm just putting a little bit more on the part where I went over with the straightening comb. And now I'm taking that band and I'm going to put it right back on and make sure it's tied really good, because now we're going to get ready to get to the fun part and get those curls popping. So right now I'm going to take my spray bottom and my denim brush, and all I have is water mixed with conditioner and my spray bottle just so the hair can dry really soft and bouncy. So I'm just pretty much drenching the hair. Whenever I wear curly hair, I like to drench it just so that I can ensure my curls will come out super defined and bouncy. So I'm just spraying, going in with that denim brush. And it's best to start from the bottom to the top. So as you can see, I'm just brushing, brushing, brushing. Look how pretty those curls are. And I didn't even put the mousse on yet. So pretty. Very little shedding, not too much. Not too much at all. So now I'm going in with the spray bottle on the other side, and I'm going to drench this side as well. And I'm just making sure I'm getting all areas of the hair, the outside, the inside, and in between all of those strands, just so that when it dries, it all dries evenly. Very light shedding on that side as well. So now I'm going to go in with my mousse, and I'm going to drench my hair with mousse as well. I love for my curls to be super, super, super defined. So I'm just making sure that I get all areas, just like I did with that spray bottle, because we want those curls to pop. And I'm going in on the other side as well. And I like to use my hands sometimes too, just to make sure I can feel all strands of the hair. Because sometimes with the brush you can't, but with my hair I can always go back in and make sure I got every single strand. So now I'm going back over with the denim brush. Look how pretty and bouncy the curls are. Super cute. So now I'm just going in with my comb just to make sure that parting area is super flat at the top. So it can look super flat and defined. Same with the other side, just to make sure all strands are down, no flyaways. Bouncy, so pretty. So now I'm just showing you guys how pretty these curls are. Super bouncy, super pretty. So pretty. I love, love, love curls. So now I'm just going to sit under the dryer, and I sat under the dryer for about 12 minutes. And then I went back in a little bit with my hair blow dryer, my hand blow dryer. And now I'm just fluffing the curls out a little more just to give it that fuller effect. So pretty, so pretty. Look how cute and full it is. Now I'm taking my lace melting band off. And look how neat and melted. You can't even tell that it's a 4x4. Like, it literally looks like as if it could be a frontal. Super cute. So now I'm just going in with concealer on that parting area just to give that part a little more pop, defined look. So now I'm showing you guys how it looked dry. Super cute, still bouncy, full. So this is the finished look, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I do have a coupon code that you guys can use to get 20% off for your next purchase. Thanks for watching.